This 14-gauge GEARit speaker wire offers a solid balance of thickness and flexibility, making it easy to pull through walls, ceilings, and tight runs in a home theater or car audio install. The copper-clad aluminum conductors deliver clean, reliable signal transfer that is more than good enough for most surround sound and stereo setups without demanding premium cable prices. Its CL2 in wall safety rating means the jacket is designed to meet common residential building codes, which is reassuring when you are running long lengths behind drywall or in conduits. The cable uses a clearly marked two-conductor design with contrasting jacket colors, so matching positive and negative connections across multiple speakers is straightforward even in low light. With a generous 200 feet on the spool, it is well suited for larger rooms or multi-speaker layouts where you need consistent cable runs to every speaker location. The insulation feels durable yet easy to strip, helping to prevent accidental nicks in the conductors while still making terminations to binding posts, banana plugs, or spring clips quick and tidy.